In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the rear inside door handle on this Toyota Prius. Let's get into it. Take this cover off here. I'm using a pick. You could use a straight blade screwdriver. Just pop this off. It's just clipped in. There's a Phillips head screw right there. Just use a Phillips head screwdriver. Take that screw out. Using the Phillips head screwdriver, there's another screw down here. Take that screw out. You can slide that panel off. Remove this bezel. I'm just going to use a trim tool. Get underneath here. We'll just pop it up. It slides right up. Disconnect the connector. Just push down on the tab. And it slides right out. Using a trim tool, just go around the perimeter. Just pop it out. It's just clips holding it in. Just grab the door panel, slide it out, and slide it up. Comes right off. Using a trim tool, just pop this out right here. There's a little tab. And then you can grab the handle and slide it towards the back, twist it over, pull the cables out, and the ball comes out. That one's for the lock, this one's for the handle. Take the new handle, slide this ball in, slide that down. Lock it in place. I'll slide these two tabs in there. And then you can push it in, lock it down. Take the door panel, slide the top part in near the window. Make sure you can get the wiring harness through. And just tap it in all the way around. Take this cover, slide that in place. Take the screw, we'll screw that in. Snug that down. Take the other screw, put it right where the handle is. Snug that down. Take that cover, line that up. Lock it down. Plug the window switch in. Goes that way. Line the bezel up. Push it down.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.